from Louise Lear. Hi, Louise.
Hi there, Ben. Well, it never rains, but it pours. Fairly apt for November, hasn't it? We have seen some relentless rain. In fact, in one or two spots, it's been record-breaking, and we've still got a week of the month to come. So in Aboyne, in parts of Aberdeenshire, and also in Shoreham by Sea in West Sussex, we've had double the monthly average rainfall, and we're still adding to those totals as we speak. This is the story so far today. It's been a wet one, hasn't it? The rain is moving its way up through Scotland, and then we've got a trail of showers following in behind. Now, the heaviest of the rain over the next few days will be further south and west. So this is the predicted rainfall accumulation. The darker the blue, the wettest of the weather. So you can see where we're likely to see some very heavy rain to come. For the rest of the afternoon, though, we've still got the rain and the strong winds in Scotland. We've got some squally showers out to the south and west, some of these heavy, with rumbles of thunder and lightning mixed in there too. The best of the brighter weather will be in sheltered eastern areas, and because the wind direction, albeit strong, with gale force gusts, with the rain in the far north and also down in the southwest, it's coming from a southwesterly direction. So it is just a smidge milder than it has been of late, with top temperatures of around 13 Celsius, the high. Now, as we move through the evening, we'll continue to see some fairly frequent showers to begin with. They'll become a little bit more sort of closed up towards the far northwest of Scotland, and under clearer skies we're likely to see those temperatures falling away. Low single figures, not quite as cold as the night just passed. And out to the west you can see what's heading in our direction. Yes, more wet and windy weather on its way. This area of low pressure once again is going to be associated with gale force gusts of winds. It's going to push that rain through at quite a pace. So it's going to be quite an intense band of rain, but quite a narrow band. So the brighter greens denoting that, and it moves through quite quickly. But be prepared for a spell of wet weather for all of us at some point during the day. And 60, 70 mile an hour gusts of winds through the Irish Sea, through the Bristol Channel and down into the southwest generally. So it's a blustery afternoon, top temperatures again between 9 and 13 Celsius. And then as we move out of Thursday, we could all do with a brief chance to kind of recover, can't we, really, and take a breather. We've got that on Friday before the next system moves in again, I'm afraid. So Friday looks likely to be a dry day. If you're desperate to get out in the garden, do some tidying up, well, Friday is the day, because more wet and windy weather on its way for Saturday, so all the leaves will be back. You'll be back to square one, Ben.